Our next game is going to be audience sound effects. This will involve Jackson and Tim, and also our studio audience. Now, these two wonderful players are going to act out a scene, but any sound effects they need will be supplied by our studio audience. They do not know about this. We are throwing them in the deep end. Yes, it's improvisation. So, you are on an Arctic scientific base, and you are trying to figure out which one of you is a shape-shifting alien.
Rogers.
Matthews.
We're running low on supplies. It's been 5 days since we've had contact from base camp.
What? Let me open my bag and check. You're right, there's no food.
Oh, I think there's 1 can of Pepsi left in there. Pass me that. Oh, I'm so thirsty.
I didn't know that you drank Pepsi, Matthews.
Well, Rogers, you know I can't stand Coke. I also have a Samsung phone. I just like being different, okay? But apart from that, completely normal.
Hang on. This is not safe. I'm gonna lock the door. Because I think that you're up to something, Matthews.
Well, Rogers, I think you're up to something. Let me finish this Pepsi first, though.
That strength is not normal, and also, that clearly belongs in the recycling. What are you up to, Matthews?
All right. I didn't think it would come to this. But after all these days, I think it's time you saw something. That's right. And I can turn my hand into a claw. And my other hand into a cannon.
What are you gonna do with the cannon?
Oh, well, first I'm gonna blow a hole through the ice below us.
Oh.
And then I'm gonna shift my claw hand into a fishing rod. And catch the deadly Arctic heron.
Now we have supplies again!
That's right, because while I was a shape-shifting alien all along, I still wanted this Arctic research mission to be a success.
Oh, my favorite shape-shifting alien!